Hi guys, good to see you again. In today's video I would like to compare the present perfect and past simple tenses. We use both tenses to talk about past completed actions. The difference is that when we use present perfect, the past action has a result in the present. Compare these two sentences.
I've had an accident and I can't go to work. Even though the accident occurred in the past, we have a result in the present. I can't go to work. I had an accident a year ago. This accident does not influence my life right now in any way.
Here is another example.
She's eaten 3 chocolate bars and she's feeling sick now. We have a past action and its result. She ate 3 chocolate bars. We have a past action, but there is no known result of this action.
Another difference between these two tenses is that we use present perfect when the time period that we refer to has not finished, and past simple when the time period that we refer to has already finished.
I've drunk 3 cups of coffee today. This day has not finished and I can still drink more coffee. I drank 3 cups of coffee yesterday. This day has already finished.
We use present perfect to talk about completed actions in someone's life when this person is still alive, and we use past simple to talk about completed actions in someone's life when this person is dead.
She's written 20 books. It means that she's still alive and she can still write more books. She wrote 20 books. It means that she's dead and she can't write anymore.
And the next difference between present perfect and past simple is that we use the present perfect tense to talk about unfinished actions that started in the past and continue in the present, and we use the past simple tense to talk about actions that were true for some time in the past but are not true anymore.
I've lived here for 5 years. This means that I still live here. I lived here for 5 years. This means that I spent 5 years in this place and then moved out. I no longer live here.
And now let's move on to the exercise. Watch this playlist to learn more about present tenses in English. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel to be up to date with my English lessons. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye!